if I'm watching it.
Okay, you don't have to watch it.
But this one, the other one that we watched wasn't very fun. It was actually just a play, and it turned out scary. It could have got old. But this one is just us. But this one's a new one, so it'll be all fine.
That's a great plan. All right. What
Yeah,
happens
we'll just
next,
have
sir?
Captain Hook be friendly in this one.
You're going to have a friendly Captain Hook? That's my favorite kind of Captain Hook. ¿Qué pasa, first mate? Umpum?
Yeah.
Okay.
On to the open sea. La 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 la. It can't turn very well.
You're turning it great.
1, 2, 3 on the open sea.
Try turning it the other way.
1, 2, 3 on the open sea.
I think you have to turn it both ways. You can't just always turn it one way.
1, 2, 3 on the one. But I want to go fast.
Yeah, but just turn it fast one way and now fast the other way. Quick, quick, quick. It's going to come off. There you go.
Okay.
Other way, other way, other way. Other
This
way.
Fast.
Fast, fast, fast. There you go.
Where do you find the hat?
Yo tenía por mucho tiempo. No sé de dónde fue realmente.
We have some sea creatures.
There's some crabs in the ocean.
Lobsters.
Lobsters. Oops.
And you can't have a pirate ship without an almost parrot.
It's a parrot.
It's a parrot for
The
first
parrot's
mate.
on first mate. Where are my shells? Where are my shells? Pretty Polly, pretty
Parrot.
Polly.
What is your parrot?
And the pirate is supposed to have the parrot.
Does the Captain Hook need a parrot as well?
I got another one.
Whoop! First mate dropped this parrot into the ocean.
Oh no!
Oh no! Can you rescue the parrot?
Okay.
All right, Captain Hook, to the rescue! Yay! Rescued parrot.
Here you go. Go back on your seat.
Ask nicely.
Please can you go back on your seat? Yeah.
Another sea creature.
The sea turtle.
And then-
Parrot.
And then a seagull.
A seagull at the top of the mast.
Why does it have to go there? Why does the mast have to go there?
Why does the mast have to be there? Or why does the seagull have to be there?
So why does he change the...
Whoop, the first mate is taking a turn at the wheel.
So
Quick,
he...
it's time. When the first mate takes the wheel, it's time for the captain to sleep. Quick, into the sleeping quarters.
Have a rest. It might be your only chance for many days and many nights. There are storms ahead.
But it doesn't have a roof.
Ships
You
don't
don't-
have a roof.
Yeah, ships don't have a roof.
You
You can sleep under the open stars. Or no, that wasn't quite English. But it was close.
¿A dónde vas?
Más.
I know.
El otro lado, mi amor. El otro lado.
Oh,
I know.
have you got the bolt? I need that. That needs to stay on here.
I think Felix might have put it too far one direction and the bolt came off.
That's alright. It's the job of the captain
This way.
to make
Felix.
sure this stays.
Oh, see.
It'll be hard to take off now.
This way. Look. Felix.
Oh, no, or not.
Never underestimate a toddler.
But I'm the captain, and I need to be sailing it.
All right. Are you ready? Done with your rest?
Yeah.
All right. First mate.
Move.
Captain's turn at the wheel.
Come on, first mate.
Whoa!
First mate caught a lobster.
Oh no! First mate, let the
Release the
lobster
lobster.
go.
He's a vegan. He does not eat it.
First mate, can you sing a pirate song?
Yeah.
How's your pirate song go?
Do free on the one. On the pivot. Bye.
You
It's
sing
5
way,
minutes past 9.
hey, way, hey, a pirate's life for me.
Okay,
He's rocking the boat.
this can be my parrot.
Oli, ¿vos sabés alguna canción de piratas?
How cute is that?
Ali, ¿puedes cantar?
How cute
¿Puedes hacer la canción de pirates?
Falling against and keeps falling down.
There.
Oh no, penguin overboard!
Uh-oh, the boat, it's tipping.
Oh no! Sweetie Pie, if you actually lean too much on the cardboard though, it'll break.
Uh-oh.
¡Tu pájaro! Parrot es loro en español, ¿no?
The parrots, they fell off.
Loro.
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 ¿Quieres tu pingüino? Ah, no.
Pingüino.
But it's playing the role of parrot.